Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Swapnali and today I'm going to show you all how I did this look from the beginning, and also I'll be telling you all how you all can use eyeshadow palettes which are not pigmented enough. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. This palette, I use it very rarely for basically these colors because these brown shades are quite good, but all these colors which I took the palette mainly for, they are not good. For some reason they don't come easily on the brush. I don't know what it is. Actually, I have around like 3-4 palettes which are from Beauty Glaze, and all the other palettes, they have amazing pigmentation. I don't know what went wrong with this palette, but in today's video I'm gonna try and create a look using this palette. So I have a few ideas how I can use these colors and make them appear on my eyes. So I'm gonna do that. But before we get started with the eye makeup, let me quickly just do my base. Usually for my base, I always use Maybelline foundations, but for a change today, I am using this foundation which is from Coloursense. It is the HD High Definition Foundation, and this is in the shade HDF2. It's a medium to light coverage foundation. It's not full coverage. Okay. This has a pump. It's okay foundation. I mean, I don't really love it. I just have it, so I'm going to use it. The thing with this Coloursense foundation, at least this range, it has got a lot of fragrance, and I think that fragrance gives me a headache. So when I'm going out, I never ever use this foundation just because of the fragrance. The coverage is like okay. Sometimes I do like to go with a medium to light coverage foundation, but the fragrance is just too much. Like, it just gives you a headache. But for the sake of today's video, I'm gonna use this foundation. Now I'm gonna conceal my under eyes, and to conceal my under eyes, I've been using this. It is from Wet n Wild Coverall, and this has a peach color concealer. So I use that to color correct my under eye, and on top of it I apply just a foundation or concealer. I'm using this dark brown color to do my eyebrows, and I use this color from this palette to my eyebrows quite often because, like I said, these browns, they're pretty good from this palette. I'm gonna use this brown color. Let's finally move on to the eyeshadow. Now for the eyeshadow, I'm thinking of doing like green eyes with a yellow liner. I'm going to use this yellow for the liner, and for the green I'm thinking of using this green, but the pigmentation is not that great. So I'm going to do two things to make the green kind of more intense on my eye. The first thing that I'll do is I'm going to take this green color corrector and add that green color corrector on my eyelid. The next thing what I'll do is I'm gonna take a small brush or whatever you have. I'm taking a small brush. So I'm taking the back side of this brush, and I'm just gonna scrape the green out a little bit from the palette like that. Okay, I've just scraped out some green from the palette. Now I'm gonna take this brush. This is a natural hair brush, and I'm going to dip it in this green color, and I'm going to add the green on my lower part to begin with. And then I'll just blend it out as much as I can. And then I'll scrape some of this yellow just to blend the green out. I'm going to use this yellow. Again, the same brush. And I'm taking some yellow. Let me just take a little bit less. And just to blend this green out, I'm going to use some yellow. Now, instead of the yellow, you can also use like a cream color, a peach color, a maroon color, whatever color you want. I'm using yellow. Now on the lower lid, I'll do the same thing and add some green over here, and then I'll blend that green out with yellow. So I'm taking some green on this small brush, and then I'll take some yellow and add that over here, just to blend that green out. Now since I added yellow to blend the green out, I'm thinking let's do a purple color liner. I'm not sure how it's gonna look, but let's see. So I'm just gonna spray my brush with some setting spray. Then I'm gonna take this purple color and I'll just do my liner. So I have done a purple liner. And now let me just quickly curl my eyes and add some lashes, and then we'll add some lipstick and finish the look. Okay, I added some lashes, and now for the lipstick I'm thinking I'll just keep it very simple. I'll use a brown lipstick because more than pink, nude pinks, I am more comfortable with like brown nudes. So I'm gonna just add that. And it's done. So this is how even y'all can use eyeshadows which are not very pigmented. One is you scrape them out and then use them. That increases the pigmentation and the color will be seen more better on your eye. I mean, it doesn't increase the pigmentation, more product comes on the brush. The second thing is make sure that you're using natural hair brushes, because natural hair brushes, they take or they are able to hold more powder product. So that's the second thing. And third thing, if your eyeshadow palette is not pigmented enough, you can use that with a setting spray as your liner. It works really well. And yeah, that's the look. Obviously I can't wear it out anywhere because it's just way too much, but yeah, at least I know how to use this eyeshadow palette, which I don't really like because of the pigmentation. And also I thought it's a nice makeup look to go with this shirt that I'm wearing. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and you all learned something. And also do subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.